Today I'll be showing you how to claim over 5 NFTs from this platform and trade them and make money from them. So guys, as you can see right here, I have over 5 NFTs in my collection that I've claimed. You can see right here 5 collectibles. So I have this and this and this. So guys, I'll also show you how you can as well trade these NFTs and make money from them, guys. So guys, if you haven't seen me here on YouTube before, welcome to my channel, Ojio Billionaire Academy. On this channel I talk about how to make money online, how to claim free cryptocurrency, and how to claim airdrops, just like this video I'm about to share with you right now. I have other videos right here on my channel. You can go ahead and watch them and see how you can make money for yourself. As you can see, this is a live withdrawal I made here for over $558. So you might want to check out some of these videos and see how I was able to do that. So guys, if you have done that, click the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, also click the notification bell so that you'll be notified to be the first to watch my videos whenever I drop a video like this one. Also click the like button so that this video will reach many people who are looking for means to make money online. Also share this video to families and friends that you think this video will be helpful to them. So guys, if you have done that, let's dive into the video of today. Okay guys, the name of this platform where you'll be claiming this NFT is called Blocto App, Blocto Crypto and NFT Wallet. So guys, I will drop the link to this app on the description video so that you go ahead and click on it and download this app. So guys, let's check out what this app is all about. Let's check it out what the app is all about. As you can see here, it says join the beta. The app is manage your assets, DeFi game, and the app all within your Blocto wallet. So it's a finance app about cryptocurrency. So guys, you can see some people are reviewing the app, so you can just check it out and see. So guys, when you download the app, you click open. Okay guys, I already registered, but when you click open, let me show you how it will look like for you. So guys, the app will open like this for you if it's your first time. To open like this, say create your account down and enjoy points to pay gas fee up to 100 times. So guys, you click create account, and right here you put the email you want to register with. Let me just put so guys, you input your email address like this and you click next. Sorry, let's go back, cancel. So guys, you input your email address like this. After successfully inputting your email address, you click referral, then you input my referral code. I will drop my referral code below this video. So you input my referral code right there. It's a 6-digit. You input the referral code here. So after inputting your referral, you click next, and when you click next, they will send a confirmation, a 6-digit code to the email address you put right here. Let me show you how the email looks like. Okay guys, this is how the code will look like. So you copy this code and you head back to your Blocto app and you paste it here, and you paste it and you logged in. So that is how you will log in. Upon doing that, it will take you to this interface where you see news. It has news, discovering, wallet, and settings. Guys, you can see right here, you see settings right here, below here you see wallet right here, you see discover below here, and you see news right here. So guys, here you can read news articles about the recent happening in the blockchain, in the NFT space and the likes. But guys, where we'll be going today, it's here. So we click on discover. So now guys, on this discover, I will be dropping the links of these NFTs where you can claim these NFTs, so that you can go ahead as to copy the link. I will drop the link on my channel Telegram group, so that you can copy it from there and you paste it. So let me go and copy a link from there so that you see. Okay guys, I've copied one of the link. I will paste the link right here, and I'll click on my discovering. I'll paste the link right here and I click searched. So guys, you can see this is Magic NFT Club 28238. This is the NFT right here guys, you can see right here. So guys, this NFT, you need to first connect your wallet to this NFT. You click connect, and you click connect Blocto wallet. Guys, the wallet is connecting, so it has connect. So guys, as you can see right here, this NFT, I can possibly claim it. It's a description. I've already claimed this one, so there's no need of claiming it already. I have this NFT already. I showed you in the early part of this video. So guys, you can see right here, say provide access to privilege and reward of project Metaverse, Magic NFTs, Magic NFT Clubs. Magic NFT collection is a collection of 10,000 unique Magic NFTs, rare digital collectibles that lives on the blockchain. Your Magic avatar serves as your Magic NFT Club membership card and grant access to members only benefits, the first of which is access to the VIP rooms. A collaboration of graffiti board, futures area Metaverse and PEC can be unlocked by the community through roadmap activation. So guys, you can see what the NFT stands for. So now guys, this is what I'm telling you. This NFT is already listed on Gate.io NFT collection, is also listed on Binance.io NFT collection, is also listed on Opensea and Rarible. So guys, if you click on Binance right here, for example, if you click on Binance, or if this is not clicking, let's copy this out. Let's copy this. Let's open this address on Chrome. So guys, you see what I'm talking about. So you can see this is Magic VIP Club. This is the NFT. So over, this is the NFT right there. So guys, this page is still loading so that we'll see the collections they have right here on Binance. So Binance NFT teach. Okay guys, you can see that this NFT is here on Binance, but I think they are still redirecting us to Opensea from here. So let's just go back and click the Opensea link so that we can see for ourselves. Let's click the Opensea link. Let's open. Let's see how much one of these NFT costs. Okay, this is it right here. Magic NFT collection, joined since August 2021. So guys, you can see they've been in existence. And guys, this my page is still loading, but as you can see right here, this NFT is selling for as high as 1 Ethereum. For this, it's selling for as high as 1 Ethereum, guys. This is selling for as high as 1 Ethereum, and this is selling for 0.27 Ethereum, and this is selling for 0.6. So guys, if you claim any of these NFTs, maybe you claim this one, this is the amount it's selling for right now. So you can see guys, the NFT is really huge. So don't sleep on this guys. You can go ahead and claim these NFTs and sell them and make money from them. So these are the NFTs so far. So guys, go ahead and claim this NFT. So I will be dropping the link on my Telegram channel so that you can claim them. There are over 12 links so that you can claim. There are over 12 links. You check out the one that are still available and claim. So I've successfully claimed 5. That's why I had to do this video, so that I will send to you so that you see for yourself. You can see right here on my Blocto app, I have 5 already. I've claimed 5 already. So I just decided to make this video so that you also can go claim yours as well. This is it in my Blocto wallet. Remember to use my referral code. Remember to use my referral code so that you benefit from it. So guys, these are the 5 I've successfully claimed, and you can see these NFTs are what you saw there that was selling for over 1 Ethereum. The one that was selling for 1 Ethereum almost looks similar with this. It has the same chain with this, and it's selling for 1 Ethereum. So guys, go ahead and click the link and download this app. Use my referral code and use the links on the Telegram channel so that you can claim these NFTs. I have 5 already on my own wallet, and I will try to claim as much as possible as I can. Thank you, and see you in our next video. Remember to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell, and click the like button so that this video will reach as many people as possible that wants to make money online. Goodbye.